Welcome to Studio 10.
You are taking a look at some of the fantastic work done by the folks at Green Magic. And I hear if your property looks tragic, don't panic. You got to call Green Magic. Is that right?
That's correct.
This is Larry Cohen Jr., one of the co-owners of Green Magic, along with your wife, correct?
Correct.
All right, that sounds good. First of all, I got to give you compliments on the mask, looking sharp.
Thank you.
Proper work done there. All right, so we are taking a look at Green Magic and telling you about all the services that they have to offer and provide. Larry, start by telling us, how did y'all get started?
Basically, you can either email, call, or get on our website and request a quote, and we will come out. All of our quotes are free. And if you agree to it, we'll be more than happy to turn your property from tragic to Green Magic.
There you go. So this business started, was it about 20 years ago?
Actually, Green Magic started in April of 2016, but I've been in the industry doing work with different companies and with grandparents and things like that since maybe 8 or 9 years old, so pretty much most of my life I've been in the industry.
So you've got decades of experience doing this, and I was talking with your wife before this started. She said your grandfather was the one who kind of got you into this whole thing.
Yes, he unfortunately he developed cancer at an earlier age, so he was forced into earlier retirement, and he did that on the side to make some money, and he started picking me up at maybe 6 or 7 years old and pretty much put the work ethic in me and taught me the basics, and I was interested, so I carried on with it.
And you took it off and ran with it from there. All right, we're standing actually at one of your properties here.
Right.
You said you just cut this one a couple days ago. We all know that the grass grows quick here in the South, but you can tell how nice, thick, bushy, and green this yard is. And we've got a before and after pic. This was one of the properties that you did a lot of work with.
Yes, we've been maintaining this property for maybe 2 years now, and when we first started, as you saw in the pictures, a lot of this were just brown spots and dead spots from, I guess you could say, neglection. He had just moved into this property when we took it on, and as you can see, we treated it and kept it well maintenance, and it turned from tragic to Green Magic. We also handle contracts, it's called right-of-way mowing with the City of Mobile. We take care of Dolphin Street and O'Shell Road as of right now, and some of the other streets will be up for bid, and we'll try to get some of those because we love keeping Mobile beautiful as well.
Tell me about your work with something called the Growth Alliance Task Force. What do y'all do with them?
Okay, that's one of the small subcommittees, one of many with the Mobile Chamber, and it's basically to bring awareness to small minority-owned businesses, and I must say they have done a great job because, as you can see, people are starting to know who Green Magic is.
Tragic to Green Magic, man. It is looking sharp. Nice job on this. So for the folks at home who are watching, what are all the services you provide? This is residential. Do y'all do commercial stuff as well?
Yes, we definitely do commercial.
All right, and then when you do residential and commercial, what sort of things can people expect from you? Yard care? Do you do bush trimming and all that sort of stuff as well?
We do basic lawn maintenance, which will be edging, trimming, mowing, and shrub trimming. We usually keep our shrub trimming separate from the lawn maintenance just because it's a little more time consuming.
Yeah.
We offer fertilization, let's see, sodding, basic landscaping, mulch, pine straw, flower bed work, small tree trimming. We don't do any big trees. Okay. We don't remove trees because that's a whole nother.
Sure, that's a whole different ball game there. But you provide a lot of things. So if people are looking for that, as you mentioned earlier, let's re-say it one more time because the folks want some of that Green Magic. How can they contact y'all?
If your property is looking tragic, don't panic. Call Green Magic.
All right, so we're going to have all that information on our website, the Studio 10 tab at fox10tv.com. A link to their website, their phone number, all that good stuff. Y'all want your yards to look good? Give them a call. Larry, thank you so much. We appreciate it, man.